Microsoft has just released their new Surface Laptop Studio 2, and judging by its specs and performance, it's looking incredible. Previously, we got to see the Surface Pro 9, which is also coming in almost similar time frame as the new Surface Laptop Studio 2. Now, if we look closely, both these devices have the potential to become a great two-in-one device. These versatile machines cater to different needs and budgets, making it essential to weigh their features carefully. In this comparison, we'll dissect the Surface Laptop Studio 2 and the Surface Pro 9 across various aspects, from design to performance, helping you make an informed decision on which one to add to your priority.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
When it comes to design, both devices follow the same outline as their predecessor. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 features an aluminum chassis that definitely complements the entire laptop's aesthetic. What makes it interesting is its flexible hinge, which enables a wide range of display positions and makes it more versatile than a typical two-in-one. This design not only enhances usability, but also adds a touch of uniqueness to the device. Not only that, Studio 2 also offers a robust selection of ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB-A port, a Surface Connect port, an SD card reader, and a standard 3.5mm headphone jack, ensuring seamless connectivity. On the other hand, the Surface Pro 9 follows the tablet design route, with a detachable keyboard. While its fully aluminum chassis exudes a sleek and modern look, it doesn't match the unique flexibility of the Surface Laptop Studio 2's hinge. And unlike the Studio 2, Pro 9 only includes 2 USB-C ports. So yes, you will be lacking a few connectivity options here. The display is a crucial aspect of any two-in-one device, and both Microsoft offerings excel in this place. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 boasts a 14.4-inch PixelSense touchscreen with a resolution of 2400 by 1600 and VESA Display HDR 400 certification. It also boasts a high refresh rate display at 120 Hz, delivering smooth visuals and vibrant colors, making it an excellent choice for content creators and gamers alike. On the Surface Pro 9 side, it offers a 13-inch touchscreen with a higher resolution of 2880 by 1920, featuring a 100% sRGB color gamut. Its 120 Hz refresh rate ensures a responsive touch experience. While it provides impressive visuals, it's important to note that it doesn't quite match the performance of the PixelSense panel that the Surface Laptop Studio 2 provides. Both devices come equipped with powerful processors, but the Surface Laptop Studio 2 takes the lead in certain aspects. It features a 14-core 13th generation Intel Core i7-13700H processor and a dedicated NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card. This makes it well suited for demanding tasks, including gaming and content creation. It can handle browser workloads and graphics-intensive applications without any issues at all, thanks to its dedicated GPU. In contrast, the Surface Pro 9, powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i7-1255U, lacks a dedicated GPU, which means it relies on integrated graphics. While it's capable of handling everyday tasks efficiently, it may not provide the same level of performance for gaming and resource-intensive applications as the Surface Laptop Studio 2. The pricing of these two devices significantly diverges, with the Surface Laptop Studio 2 starting at $2,000 and the Surface Pro 9 at $1,000, which is excluding the cost of the $180 Surface Pro signature keyboard. The higher price of the Surface Laptop Studio 2 reflects its superior performance capabilities, including the dedicated GPU. In conclusion, the choice between the Surface Laptop Studio 2 and the Surface Pro 9 boils down to your specific needs and budget. If you require a 2-in-1 device with top-tier performance, especially for gaming, content creation, and also willing to invest more, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is the clear winner. However, if you're looking for a more affordable alternative with solid performance for everyday tasks and the versatility of a detachable keyboard, the Surface Pro 9 is a viable option. So which one would you go for? Surface Laptop Studio 2 or Surface Pro 9? Let us know in the comments below, and catch you guys in our next video.